Silver coins that jingle jangle, dancing shoes that dance in time. All the secrets of her dark eyes, they did sing in gypsy rhyme. Yellow clover in tangled blossom, in a meadow silver green, where she held him to her bosom, just a boy of 17. I recall a gypsy woman, silver spangles in her eyes, ivory skin against the moonlight, and the taste of life's sweet wine.